What do you do when you've run out of fuel in the middle of the countryside and you're not too sure where you are in the middle of Thailand? Well, luckily, dotted around many villages are these little self-service fuel stops. Many of them have 91 and 95, and they're actually really handy when something like this happens. Now, they're not the easiest thing to work. I've used many different ones. So today, I'm going to try putting in 10 1-baht coins. See if it accepts that. I'm going to try putting in a 20-baht note into this one. And we're going to try and rescue ourselves. Get ourselves home without having to call anyone. There's many of these dotted around. Now, let me open the fuel. Let's try 1-baht first of all. Actually, take this out. You do have a trigger, just like most normal ones. So put it into your tank. Actually, do this first of all. Lock it, right? That's your lock on. Your lock is on. So you don't forget about your lock. Always do it first. Let's try 1-bahts. Does it say it accepts 1-bahts? Oh, it might be notes only, but there's a coin thing here. Yeah, it doesn't accept 1-baht. Does it? Maybe that one was duff. Oh, it doesn't like 1-bahts. Okay, no 1-bahts does it accept 10 bahts. This is experimental as well as educational. Scientific channel. 10-baht. Does it accept? No, it does not. Oh, it does. Yes. Let's try the ones again. Maybe it just needed a bit of fluffing up a bit. Come on. Nah. All right, we might not ever see this 1-baht again. There we go. Okay, so it takes 10 baht. Let's try another 10 baht. Why not? I do have one. And she goes. And the note, the number should be facing the machine part. And it goes in. We are up to 40 baht. Now, all we do now is just push the green button one time. And it, where are we? Oh, we're up to 20 baht. Okay, aye. It's working perfectly. We're nearly there. Bing, bong. All done. Okay. You gotta give it a wee shake before you tuck it away. And it's as easy as that, everyone. If you find yourself run out of fuel, you'll be surprised. If you come off the big main road, you'll be surprised. You might find yourself a little fuel station like this. We have 95, some of them have diesel as well. So really happy to have this one in my little village. And if you're interested in educational videos in Thailand, cheap houses for rent, cheap houses for sale, and a little bit of tips and tips on how to live cheaply, then subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.